Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, another NEFFEX. I think you understand now. I love this group, NEFFEX, they're great. And this song is called I'll Be Fine. So, like most NEFFEX songs, they have a cool melody here, a very easy strumming or just a couple of chords there, and it goes in the same way. And this is in the same with this one here, I'll Be Fine. Only 4 chords, goes in the same way here with chords progression and one cool melody. So let's start here with the chords, and no need for any capo. We need to learn first B minor. So you bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down, 5 strings, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And then we have A, so open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. E minor, so open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally G. So 3rd on E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. You could play open B, but we like the 3rd B here. So that's the G chord, and it goes in that chord progression through the entire song. B minor, A, E minor, and G. Now we have this cool melody here. We're gonna look at that first, and then we're gonna look at the strumming pattern that will work for this song. So let's start first with the melody here. I'm gonna show you how to play each part here, divide into different chords here. So let's start with the melody that belongs to the B minor here. It sounds like this. Okay, so the only thing you really need to hold here is the 2nd here on the A string and the 4th on the D string. So you're gonna play 2nd A, 4th D, 2nd A, 4th D, then 2nd A, open G, 2nd A, open G, 2nd A, open G. Okay, so that will be pretty much the pattern for all these chords except for the last chord almost. So you're gonna stick to one bass and alternate that with different notes here on the D and G string here. That's the case with this song here. So just to repeat this one: 2nd A, 4th D, 2nd A, 4th D, 2nd A, open G, 2nd A, open G, 2nd A, open G. Okay, that's the rhythm. And then we're gonna play in the same way, but this time you play the open A as the bass, and the rest will be the same. So open A, 4th D, open A, 4th D, open A, open G, open A, open G, open A, open G. So alright, then comes, and that was the A part here, then comes the E minor part. Still same play there, but you shift to the bass here, which is the open E now instead, and you play in the same way the rest. So open E, 4th D, open E, 4th D, open E, open G, open E, open G, open E, open G. So that was the E minor part, and the final part will be the G. Here, there's just a slight difference there. You're gonna shift the bass now and still have this 4th on D, but the bass will be 3rd on E. So 3rd on E, 4th D, 3rd on E, 4th D, and 3rd on E, open G, 3rd on E, and now comes the change. You need to hit the 2nd G and 3rd on E and back to open G on the last. So here you need to grip to be able in this way to be able to have your index finger to hit the second fret, the G string here. So the last G part here. Okay, so that is the melody. Yeah, and that goes round and round. You can choose to play this through entire song if you wish, or you can play the chords and with the strumming here. So we will look at the strumming pattern and we will grab the B minor, that is the first chord here. Of course, it goes in the same way through an entire song. So take that B minor and we will play the following strumming pattern here. It's pretty long yeah, we'll divide it into two parts. So the first one will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, clap, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, down, up. And the next part will be up, down, clap, down, up. So up, down, clap, down, up. Up, down, clap, down, up. So if we connect these two parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. Play one strumming round for each chord, and with the chord progression and chord shifts it will sound like this: B minor, A, E minor, and G. Yeah, so you can choose to play either the melody or the strumming, or you can do a mix and you can play that through this entire song. And it's a beautiful chord progression there. The B minor and A and E minor. And finally G. So yeah, good luck with this one, guys. NEFFEX, I'll be fine. And see you soon. Don't forget to thumb up if you like this one, subscribe, and most of all, play tuned.